Love to go to New York. That's one of my bucket list, you know.
One of your what? Oh,
One of my
bucket list.
bucket list.
Oh, okay. Yeah, when are you gonna come?
Right here, ito kami sa Jan and Jai Massage, the Merinol Building. Yan, thank you. Nagpa-masahe kami dito sa Jan and Jai. Ayan. May dali na nito sa sarap bang marang bel?
Mangosteen.
Mangosteen.
And marang. Delicious marang.
Yeah, smile.
Happy dinner! Ayan. Mamalengke kami dito sa Panabo. Kakasyal ko sila and then after lunch. Mag-ukay-ukay.
Ito, kasya sa'yo. Ganito sa'yo, ito. More fun in the Davao with matching ukay-ukay.
Oh, pakyaw na ni Beth. Thank you, Beth. Thank you, ukay. Yan po pa Susan.
Ayuda.
How much? How much? Magkano yung sa'yo, te? Si Susan. Ay, Imang. Sa'yo, Imang.
Ay, 700 ako. Ay, binek, Susan.
2,550. 2,550. The financier.
Ito lang. Oh, salamat sa ayuda.
Enjoy massage. Mapapamasahe mo na.
Hindi siya yung ano.
Hindi ka senior auntie, no?
Oh,
diba?
Youngster at heart. Kaya sigurante gusto
Youngster at
ng
heart.
mga kababayan. Ako hindi ako nagpamasad sa leeg, sa neck, saka sa head kasi mas priority ko ang legs ko, yung sa paa, sa foot massage para na-reflex kasi ito ang panglakwatsa ko. Hindi ako makagora.
So tomorrow excited na kayo
Excited.
sa ating samal.
You guys need to try. It's really,
Yeah,
really
thank
relaxing.
you. Very relaxing.
Very relaxing.
Ayan. Ito, Mang. Hello, Mang. Hi, andito kami ngayon sa foreign exchange ng Gmall Panabo. Ayan, mapapalit si Beth. At saka itong dalawang mapapalit din, dollar. Wow, dollar ha. Nangangamoy dollar. Ayan. Saan si Auntie? Ayan. Dito kami sa Gmall ng Panabo. Nagpapalit ng dollar si Beth. Magla-lunch kami now sa Inasal. After namin na spa, Beth. Ayan. Inasal of Gmall Panabo. Wait lang tayo sa konti. Sandali. Ayan, solo fiesta. Ayan. Ayan na, solo fiesta. Kompleto na. After ng spa, ginutom. Oh.
Lahat yun, ano?
Sa lobis na lahat.
Sa loob lahat?
Sa lobis na lahat.
Ano yun?
Yung order, ma'am. Sa lobis na tanan.
Yes, solo fiesta tanan.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes.
Meron
Thank
bang
you,
food?
Beth. Thank you so much. We're the sponsor ni Beth.
Meron bang ano, cooler dito?
Cooler? Bakit bibili ka ng cooler?
Yung cooler na ano, di ba
Yes,
masarap yun? Meron dito?
At, yan.
May cooler dyan, ate? Cooler? Di ba mga cooler ba yung mga yan? Smirnoff?
Grocery kami sa Panabo. Ito isa ng Panabo. Saan? Ay,
Doon sa wine.
kan. Isa na lang. May malaki tayong cooler. May malaki tayong cooler. Ha? Doon tayo. Okay na. Meron man doon. Yung lalagyan na lalagyan. Sa saman. Pero going tayo. Mayroong ano doon, refrigerator. Ayan. Napelino. Ayan. Maglalasing siya. Ayan siya. Thanks aming sponsor. Ayan. Thank you, Beth. Ayan. Nag-grocery kami. Dadali namin sa fridge. Thank you so much, Beth. Ayan. May dali namin bukas. Aircast na kami. Salamat, Beth. Our sponsor. Sa aming resort tomorrow. Outing. Ito pa, Beth.
Mabuto yan.
So wala.
Marang. Hi, Beth. Masarap ba ang marang, Beth?
Mangosteen.
Mangosteen.
And marang. Delicious marang.
Bigyan mo nga akin para
Wait.
Ayan. Hello, kuya.
Hello. Kami sa Davao.
Delicious
Delicious
mangosteen.
marang.
Ayan.
So,
Ha? 76. Ayan. After 13 years, Beth, nakita ulit kayo ni Mama, Beth. After 13 years. Diba? Hello, Ma'am. Ano yung parehas sa lulutuin sa ulam? Pinakbet. And then, magpuan tayo no, mag-adobo. Ikaw mag-adobo, te? Ha? Ikaw mag-adobo?
Pwede lang din.
Or si Inday? Ikaw, Day?
Si Inday na lang, masarap siya.
Day, ikaw daw mag-adobo, Day. Ma'am, may attire ka na, Ma'am?
Mamaya tayo ko mag-swimsuit daw siya.
Swimsuit.
Swimsuit, sabihin mo.
Sinabi ko, ilang swimsuit na isa lang naman.
Pwede naman po, 2 o 3.
Diba? Hello! Ayan, magsiswimming kami tomorrow. Ayan, si Mamang at Auntie Letty, the 82 years old and the 76 years old. So, mag-red wine kayo tomorrow, ha?
So, hindi ako sa...
Yan ang aming fruit salad ni Ma'am. Thank you, Beth. Ayan, Dan. Hello, Ma'am. Hello. Dan na yung aming fruit salad ni Ma'am. Sponsored by Beth. Thank you, Beth. Thank you, Beth.
You're welcome.
Ito yung aming ulam. Second night, 11. Happy dinner. Ito luto ni Inday. Adobo. Wings, chicken wings. Ito luto ni Auntie Letty. Pinakbet ng Ilocano. Ayan sila. Per plan, hindi dadali namin bukas sa resort. Then kami ni Imang natapos na namin yung aming fruit salad at saka marinated chicken.
Yeah, smile.
Happy dinner! Uncle, kayo na dyan, Uncle. Beth, sige na, Beth. Happy dinner. Second night ngayon. Second night. Okay. Pakbet, luto ni Auntie Letty. Thank you, Auntie. Pakbet Ilocano. Luto ni Inday. Ayan. Chicken.
may alamang sa usawan.
O, may alamang sausawan.
Baka gusto nyo, baka medyo nagtapangan.
Thanks, Micah and Axel. Ito na yung bring home niya. Birthday ng kanyang kuya. Hello, Lita! Ayan. Aliyat, may lechon yat. Si Beth. Hello. Ayan. Wow. Ayan, si Imang, asawa ni JR. Ayan. Si Imang, asawa ni JR. Si Tess. Oh, hindi niya kilala si JR kasi. Ayan. Si Ate Tess. Si pinsan ko si Lisa. No, kapatid. Si Auntie Letty din. Si Auntie Letty, asawa ni Chong Pito, kapatid ni nanay. Ayan. Yan, meet and greet. Cousin to cousin. Arnold, kapatid ni nanay. Tapos, wife niya si Auntie Letty. Ito, Auntie Letty. Cousin ko, si Lita. Day ng kapatid ni Maika. May lechon. Uncle, may lechon. Nagdala si Maika. Okay, Uncle. Ayan, gusto mo yan, Uncle? Lechon. Diba? Ayan. So, wala nang diet ito. Salamat sa lechon, Maika. Kumusta ang kwan? Kumusta ang Island Happy? Kumusta ang Island Happy? Wow! How was it?
It was fun. Very fun.
Are you enjoying there?
Yes, it was great. I had a fun time with my cousins.
Okay. The boyfriend of Samantha.
Nice to meet you, Justin. I'm Lolita. How I wish, I know you're in Davao, so that I will invite you to my condo.
My condo union.
My husband is American, though. If I talk to him, I love to go to New York. That's one of my bucket list, you know.
Is one of your what? Oh,
One of my
bucket list.
bucket list.
Oh, okay. Yeah, when are you gonna come?
Yes.
This looks great.
Lechon pork.
Oh, yeah, that's great.
Are you
So
enjoying
fun.
there?
It was great. It was really fun. Yeah.
Wow, for your vlog.
For your vlog.
Inday cook the chicken wings.
Delicious, yeah. Everything is good. Did you eat already, Christian?
Wala pa tita.
Wala, ba't di ka pa kumakain? Kain na.
Maligo daw muna siya.
How much? I can afford it. Yeah.
Probably too low.
Yeah. Because in California, it's a small
Renta tayo.
No, this is tourist. There's no rent. Looking around Japan.
Tokyo or?
I've been in Wednesday. And Shibuya. I've been on.
Tita Lolit.
Like we just get. You get free movies like.
So how you earn money on that?
You lose money by going to festivals. You don't earn money by going to the festivals. Like,
By watching, you earn money.
people, yes. Like so, you get. I don't take notes, but I probably should. Like I just take mental notes. I guess.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. We're all software.
That's why I asked him if he work at the Apple.
No, actually it depends on what company they are working with.
We're all at small companies. Like I think Sam's at the biggest company, but still, like Sophia works for
Cleveland.
the NBA.
Yeah, a couple
Yeah.
years, right?
Yeah. And then Samantha works for a company that does invoicing software.
Forex na kwan.
Stone.
Na.